Look no further than the 2020 Audi S5. With less than 25,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Powerful, nimble, athletic, technology-rich, you'll own the road in the S5 Sportback. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: navigation system, keyless entry, sun, moonroof, power liftgate, fog lamps, lane keeping assist, electronic stability control, intermittent wipers, universal garage door opener, trip computer. Test drive the S5 Sportback and see where technology meets a passion for driving.